to the UMA team. My name is Raghu Menon. I'm from Dubai. I am a B.Eng Motorsport Technology Honours and MSc Racing Engine Systems graduate from Oxford Brookes University. To me, motorsports is not just about fast cars and engineering formulae. To me, it is a relentless pursuit of technical perfection to be able to create split-second decisions which determine winning or losing. I'm making this video because I don't just want a seat from the UMA Bootcamp in 2026. I have the trackside and research and development experience, the technical discipline, and the absolute tenacity to earn this seat. My journey into motorsport started when I was 3 years old watching the Bahrain Grand Prix. Since then, I have been following motorsport and then finally got the chance to become a driver myself in 2016. Since 2016, I've competed as a professional race car driver, ranking 21st in the SWS UAE as my highest ranking, with experience in single-seater racing as well. Over the course of my racing career, I've had the immense privilege and honor of sharing a lifelong dream of sharing the track and racing directly against world-class talents like Pedro de la Rosa, Lando Norris, and my hero and the person who got me into motorsport, two-time Formula One world champion, Fernando Alonso. My track record speaks for itself. Over the past few years, I have proven that I am a major asset in the motorsport field by gaining a lot of experience in trackside engineering roles as well as research and development roles. Currently, I freelance as a race engineer in the Radical Gulf Cup series with KWA Motorsports, where I manage ECU data using Life ECU, analyze race data in depth using AIM Race Studio 3, and work directly with our driver and mechanic to ensure the best setups for optimal performance and BOP. Before that, I was an engineering intern for the Indian F4 Championship, where I assisted in critical component rebuilds, communicated directly with elite drivers such as the two-time Le Mans winner Neil Jani for optimizing car setups, and also learned how to use car setup sheets as well as Wintax. Not only just trackside experience, I also have experience in the automotive industry, where I was a powertrain calibration engineer for my placement year with Bosch UK, where I was in charge of the calibration and simulations for the SCR and LNT systems for diesel engines with JLR as my clients. I was also a part of the automation testing for throttle bodies. My most recent research project is my master's dissertation, where I developed a brand new method of predicting performance degradation using linear regression using historical vehicle speed model, in this case Lando Norris's car, where this dissertation achieved a distinction and is now set to be published in SAE World Conference. Motorsport is brutal and things can go wrong. During my internship at the AUH Motorsports in Dubai for Radical Gulf Cup series, we had a major engine problem with the timing, which caused an issue with the valves, where the entire engine had to be swapped from our spare car into a championship leading car. This was a very time-intensive task. This required complete focus from every single one of us engineers, where tasks had to be divided very efficiently and effectively, where I was involved in removing coolant hoses, making sure there was no oil spills, and make sure nothing got in the way of the engineers, and make sure that components are right where it belongs. This made me make sure to work more effectively, efficiently under pressure and at a very fast-paced environment, and make sure we got the car ready before the start of the race. I know that the UMA Bootcamp is a high-drive, high-paced, high-pressure environment which filters out people who have what it takes with people who does not have what it takes. For me, whether if it's managing trackside emergencies, publishing my thesis, excelling and getting distinction in my masters, to even playing badminton in the national level for the Bucks University Championship, or even working and training for years to get my grade 5 classical piano certification, I don't back down from what it takes. I thrive on the drive to perfection, and I am built for an intensive environment. I'm applying for the UMA Bootcamp 2026 because I'm ready to take my career to the next level. GT3 cars, high pressure and tight deadlines, the mentorship of Roberto Gomez and Alberto Maggioni. This will help me master telemetry, operations, aero, and everything about GT3, where I'll be able to make myself the main competitor and the main candidate to be able to go for the 24-hour of Dubai race. A race that I have been going to personally for 12 years, trackside, talking to engineers and drivers, and personally raced on myself. Thank you so much for your consideration, and see you at Madrid.